According to Glassdoor, an average writer in the United States earns approximately $49,000 in a year, and according to Salary.com, an average writer in the United States earns around $46,000 to $64,000 on a freelance mode. But we know that the challenge that comes with writing is the saturated field. Places like Upwork, Fiverr are quite saturated and the competition is quite high, especially for beginners to get into writing and make money full time from it. So on this video, I'm going to share with you places where you can find writing jobs no matter the skill you have, so that you don't have to compete like with other people on Fiverr and Upwork. You just use these places I'm going to be sharing on this video, and hopefully it works for you. And the good thing about what I'm going to share is that they don't just do anyhow writing. You can write about SEO content, ebooks, meta descriptions, product descriptions, ghostwriting content, copy editing, copywriting, and a lot of other things, city pages. And what this means is that you have variety of companies you are going to be working with. You also have to write technical writing, blog posts and articles, anything at all that has to do with writing. So, and you can see here there are lots of people that are needing this type of services. Companies that works with outdoor and sports, e-commerce, technology, leisure and travel, health, fitness, marketing, legal and real estate. Virtually everything we do in life will need a form of writing. So this is a very lucrative skill to acquire and to monetize. So talking about money, the first website we're going to be looking at is called Crowd Content. So this is what the website looks like. It's a place where companies come to get freelancers to write for them, depending on anything they want to write about based on the things I mentioned earlier. And as you can see, they pay according to the word count of whatever you have written. Here is for the marketplace and here is for the managed service. And anyone you're interested in, you can get it done on this website, provided it's anything that has to do with writing. Now, the good thing about this website is that they don't just leave their writers like that. They have tools and resources that can help you do a good writing as a writer, especially if you're a beginner. So to get started on this website, you click here where it says get started. You can see managed service, marketplace sign up, and freelance sign up. Now this is for their customer support and self-serve, and for freelancer, which is what we are interested in. Here you click here and you see it says find your next freelance writing job. But unfortunately for this website, it is allowed for people in the UK, US, Canada, Australia, and New Zealand to make money as freelancer writing on this website. So, but if you're not in these locations, you can use VPN and hopefully it may work for you. However, it is advised that you look for the ones in your locality so that you don't do a job and struggle to get paid. Another good thing is you work at your own pace. Like every freelancer wants to be in charge of their time, and you manage your time, do the things you want to do, and the flexibility is top notch, given that you can stay anywhere you want and you work, provided you'll be able to deliver on the job. What made this website exceptional is that you can work as a freelancer on the freelance writing marketplace and also on managed content project. What this means is that you can work individually and also work in a team. That way you can earn from both sides. So this is one thing that stands out for this particular website. Now, if you're interested in signing up, how it works is you sign up for an account, and signing up is completely for free. And the creation of the account takes like a few minutes. You have to have a headshot picture that you have to upload, and then you answer some questions about your experience, your background, and the writing skills. Then the next thing is you start applying for work. You can apply to specific jobs or to marketplaces or to the marketplace where you have access to all open writing work posted by clients at your particular writing level. The best part about this website is that the payment comes twice a week. So you will never be left waiting weeks or months for your money. So what it means is that you get your payment every Tuesday and Friday. So once your work is approved, you get your payment every Tuesday and Friday. And most times the payments are made through PayPal account. So you must have a PayPal account to, be able to receive your pay. And don't forget, you are paid per word you have written. And like we saw in the beginning of this video, this website pays you 11 cents per word, or it can be more depending on your level, on the tier of writers they have on the website. Second website is called Constant Content. Now, this website is another place where you can find freelance writing jobs, especially if you're a beginner or if you've been into writing for a long time. Now, the good thing about this website is there's no subscription fee for anything, although all the websites I'm going to be mentioning are all completely for free. So for both the freelancer and for the client coming to get a writing job, you don't need to pay for any subscription. So if you're looking to sign up as a freelancer, you click here where it says writers earn and learn. Once you click here, So once that open, you're going to see an interface like this. Now, another good thing about this website is that you can publish your own article, like submit an article you've already written and people buy them. And the good thing is, once you publish and post and it's approved for people to buy, it means you can set your own price. Like nobody will dictate how much you're going to pay. However, you're going to be giving this website 35% of whatever you earn from the publication you submitted that was bought by a client. So, but it's a great platform because aside freelance writing, like the one you're just writing and posting for people to buy, you can also write as a team on a project, just like the previous website I mentioned. So here you can see that top writers make over $90,000 per year according to this website, and they have worked with over 100 big brands and 100,000 websites that are buying content from this website. And they said that 85% of submitted articles sell every year. So what it means is that as a freelancer, you can be inspired to write anything and you can just write it and submit it on this platform. And once they approve, somebody buys, you're making money and you're collecting some percentage, like I mentioned. Creating the profile takes about 5 minutes. They're going to ask you some basic quiz questions and about yourself and your experience, and you'll be able to claim a spot afterwards. Then you are allowed to write about anything you love, anything you know how to write best, and submit it according to their guidelines that you have to go through. Make sure that you are following. And then, of course, 100% of approved articles are put up for sale in their marketplace, and 85% of the lists are sold according to them. And you can submit as many articles as you want. That's another good thing. And when they sell, you get paid on the 1st and 15th of the month. If you click here to get started, you will see this form you're going to fill, and you will be asked to take a grammar test and audition articles. These are tests you're going to be subjected to know if you can actually do the job that is expected of you or not as a freelancer. So the third website is called Scripted, and like the last website we mentioned, you are allowed to set the price you're going to be charging your customers or your clients for any job you're going to be doing for them. And now here you can also pitch ideas that are interesting to the team of this website and then stand a chance of getting paid once the idea is accepted and developed into an article or any written document. And the good thing is you can work whenever you want, because as a freelancer, you take control of your schedule and wherever you are that you may want to do the job. And as you can see, the payment for this is for any accepted project. Scripted partners with Stripe. So what this means is that you must have a Stripe account to get the money into your bank account quickly. You can usually expect payments to reach your account within 3 days to 5 days after your client accepts the project, depending on your writer tier. So what this means is that they have tiers of writers from beginners to experienced writers, and your payments and how fast your payments will go depends on the tier of writer that you are placed on once you sign up to this website and start writing. Of course, they will have to evaluate the writing you have done to be able to know the type of tier that suits you. So it's pretty cool and easy. Of course, they also have staff support that can help you along the line as a writer in case you need help of any sort. The outstanding thing about this website is, unlike the two other websites I mentioned previously, this one allows you to work anywhere and anytime. You take control of your workload and set your own hours. Unlike the previous ones, people in some countries are not eligible to submit their write-ups, but this one allows people from anywhere to submit their article. So if you're interested in this particular one and you want to work with them, you might want to sign up with them. To join this website as a writer, you go to the bottom of the website where it says for writers. You click writer sign in here, fill out this information here. Remember that the more active you are, the more your chances of making money writing on this website. If you enjoyed this video, please take a time out, like, subscribe to my channel. I make videos about how you can make money online so that you don't miss out on anyone. And please do check out these videos on my YouTube channel for more. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.